in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Weakley County in West Tennessee, southeastern Gibson County in West Tennessee, northern Benton County in West Tennessee, northern Carroll County in West Tennessee, southern Henry County in West Tennessee, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Milan, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Paris, Milan, Mackenzie, Trenton, Huntington, Camden, Brewston, Bradford, Atwood, Roughton, Vale, Springville, Treasavant, Hollow Rock, Big Sandy, Henry, Gibson, Macklemoresville, Tucker's Corner, and Mansfield. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Tennessee: Henry and Weakley,